Previously in AutoCAD Electrical, when you inserted terminals using the multiple insert option available from the schematic ribbon tab, Insert Components panel, it placed down the tag strip marker on every single insertion of each terminal. So now when we select the multiple insertion command, and we'll choose terminals, and we'll have round with terminal number as an example, and we're going to do a fence insertion going from the left hand side of our L1 to our right hand side of our earth. Keep this symbol, say OK. We'll put in the fact that it's X1 and terminal number 1, and when I say OK, I come up with a new dialog which enables me to hide the tag and hide the installation location for the remaining subsequent components. We can obviously keep this symbol, don't bother asking, and we can also say don't bother showing me the dialog after each insertion unless you do want to edit it. So by doing this, you can see it just increments the terminals but without showing the X1 data. The X1 data is still there, it's just hidden.